Do you know the stages that will occur during the 2024 Bitcoin halving period? Let's find out right away. Famous crypto analyst Rekt Capital explained how the Bitcoin halving stages will be. According to this research, the 2024 halving period will consist of 5 different stages. 1. Pre-halving period. According to the research, withdrawals that will take place about 5.5 months before the halving period can provide significant income to investors. Because during the halving period, Bitcoin will have a fluctuating graph, and making the right investment at the right time will be crucial. 2. Pre-halving accumulation. According to the research, the Bitcoin rally will take place 60 days before the halving, because investors will buy the hype with the expectation of the Bitcoin halving period and sell the news. 3. Pre-halving retreat. This stage usually occurs very close to the halving period. The retreat stage was 38% deep in 2016. In 2020, it was 20%. This retreat stage is important because many investors question the triggers for the rise. 4. Bitcoin accumulation again. After the retreat, a period of accumulating Bitcoin begins for a few months. This stage is the last stage before the final. Feelings such as boredom, impatience, disappointments are experienced the most in this stage. Because Bitcoin not making a significant rise in this stage is beyond the expectations of many investors. Therefore, many investors get disappointed in this stage. 5. Parabolic rise. This stage is the final stage. This is the stage where investors regret the most. Bitcoin starts to rise in a parabolic trend and becomes unstoppable. In every halving period, Bitcoin rises more, and according to analysts, in the 2024 halving, Bitcoin will reach its all-time highest value. What do you think the value of 1 Bitcoin will be in April 2024? Please write your predictions in the comments, and remember that I'm not providing investment advice in this video. See you in the next video.